So I'm going to show you how to install the Wendi widget on your website. Beneath this video, you will see a link to a Google Drive folder that has installation instructions for a multitude of platforms, from WordPress to Wix, Squarespace, number of different services that you may have used to build your website. But here's how you do it. So go to your Wendi settings, and you will see this snippet of code, and you will see a WordPress plugin. If your site is built on WordPress, click this button and you will be able to download the plugin and put it on your website. Just follow the WordPress guide in the Google Drive folder. If you do not have WordPress, then you will use this piece of code and you will just install it on your site in accordance with the instructions we have provided. So go to Wendi settings, grab this code, take a look at the installation guide in the folder below, and you should be good. And as always, if you have any questions, if you want us to literally walk you through it, we could do a screen share and go through every step. It should only take about 10 minutes. We are happy to do so. So just reach out. Thank you.